Mondays with Mike, inspiration to help you land among the stars.
Recipe for successful failure. I'll bet the title to this edition caught your eye and caused you to pause. Successful failure? That sounds conflicting. In his book, The Self-Aware Leader, John Maxwell shares the following 5 things to help us learn to fail successfully and handle the mistakes that we make with maximum growth. Admit our mistakes quickly. We must be realistic and admit our weaknesses. We can't improve as a leader if we are too busy trying to pretend we are perfect. Take it from scientists. Mistakes always precede the discovery of truth. Accept mistakes as the price for progress. Confronting mistakes routinely helps us to not take failure so personally. Have a next play mentality. Insist on learning from our mistakes. People can either run from their mistakes and hurt themselves, or learn from them and help themselves. As William Saroyan observed, good people are good because they have come to wisdom through failure. Ask ourselves and others, what are we missing? Reading between the lines is essential for good leadership. This question causes everyone to stop and think. It's more difficult to determine what isn't there. Lean into this discomfort. Give people around us permission to push back. The best leaders invite the opinions of the people on their teams. Many good minds working together are always better than one working alone. As we open the month of April, let's begin to fail successfully by incorporating Maxwell's 5 steps. Have a great start to your week. No fooling.